Guangzhou Blue Sea Lighting Company Limited, located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, China specializes in providing high-quality lighting solutions for stage, architectural and event applications. Our product range includes moving headlights, LED moving heads, LED par lights, LED theater lights, LED wall washers, and power distribution equipment, all designed to meet diverse customer needs. At Blue Sea Lighting, we prioritize innovation, energy efficiency, and reliability. Our dedicated R&D team works tirelessly to ensure that our products are crafted to exceed industry standards, providing exceptional performance and durability. By integrating the latest technological advancements, we ensure that our solutions continue to meet the highest expectations for quality and efficiency. We offer a comprehensive range of services, including expert consultation, seamless installation, and reliable after-sales support, guaranteeing customer satisfaction at every stage. Our lighting solutions are trusted by professionals in the event, architectural, and entertainment sectors worldwide, contributing to the success of large-scale concerts, theatrical performances, and iconic building designs. Dedicated to excellence, Blue Sea Lighting strives to illuminate spaces and create unforgettable experiences. We combine cutting-edge technology with exceptional service to bring your vision to life. Let us help you create the perfect lighting solution that transforms your environment. Looking ahead, Blue Sea Lighting will continue to uphold the core values of professionalism, innovation, and quality, continuously improving product performance and striving to provide high-quality lighting and audio equipment solutions for clients around the world. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.